Good evening everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So for today's special segment, we are going to continue the hunting for the SE or ASP in this booster box. We are going to unbox the Naruto Season 3 English version. So another day, another unboxing session. So without further ado, let's begin. So hopefully we can get to able to pull the very good hits in here. So hopefully, very hard to say, you know. Okay guys, we are going to open the we are going to reveal the promo card first, because I didn't manage to in my previous video, if you notice, I forgot to reveal the what you call this one, the promo card, my previous video, which is this one. So now I'm going to reveal these two. So hopefully it's two different promo card. Okay guys, for this one, if you want to get the promo card, all you need to do is just hit like and comment into this video. Okay, I will give it for free. Just comment which character you want to get. Only two characters in here, which is the Naruto and Sasuke. So go ahead and comment down below. Make it sure you are the one of the subscribers also as well. Okay. All right. So let's reveal. Okay, this one is Naruto promo card, which is a very nice. Okay, we enlarge, hopefully. Oh, nice, it's two different. Very good. All right, and Sasuke. Okay. Okay, we put in here first, then I'll try to put it into the I will put in the what you call this one, top loader. Okay, all right, there you go. Okay. Alright, so all you need to do is just comment down below and key in the name of the character that you wanted to get, and I hope you are the winner for this unboxing sessions of this video. Alright, so here you go. For this one, we will announce it. I will announce it, the winner, for the next month. So at least we wait until, I think, end of the next month, much better. Okay, so stay tuned for that one and just enjoy the unboxing sessions. Okay, let's begin. For the first pack, Magic Innocence. Okay, hold on, I need to put this one. I'll keep it. This one is I'll keep it for nose. All right, let's begin. We just put this one. Okay, Naruto. This is a very good Naruto. All right, Tayuya SR. Okay, SSR, double SSR, which is a Naruto. This is a very nice Naruto actually. And Sasuke. Okay, next, second pack. Let's see what we can get. No picking. Okay, this one is Choji, Sakon, SR, Sasuke, and first it's Itachi, sorry. And SSR Chisame. Uy, well, I put here. Excuse me. Alright, next pack. Let's go, come on. Give us some mojo hits. Oh, this one no mojo. This one is a double SR. Double SR hits. This one is a very freaking nice HR of Sasuke. Okay, SR Sasuke and Kidomaru SR. Okay, Sasuke, Naruto, another Sasuke, and SSR Tsunade. Okay, next. Let's see. Hopefully we can get the very good hits in here. This box is insanely hard to get also as well, actually, because we are in Asia. You know, this one is a double SR hits. Young Sasuke and the mentor and the apprentice, Orochimaru. Okay. Then Akimaru and SSR Might Guy. I thought, okay, then Might Guy SSR. Okay, next packs. What do you think? Is this the very good hits? I got a feeling also as well. Actually, I have a feeling that this one is a mojo hits. Just a feeling only, but let's see. Okay, Kimimaru. And it's a 3 movements for this one. This HR. Shino, SR. Okay, this one is nice, huh? Naruto and Sasuke. SSR Itachi. Only one Itachi SSR in this series. Okay, so this is a MR. It's a MR hits, guys. Hopefully it's a Sasuke. Unfortunately it's not. I think it's a Choji. I knew it. Oh my god. Very hard to get Naruto or Sasuke MR in this booster box. Actually, I already pulled many times of these characters, in a sense. Neji, Kimimaru, I got 2 times. But Neji, Choji, Shikamaru, who else? Rock Lee only 1. But the rest, Naruto and Sasuke, is very hard actually. I am not really sure why like that. Why they doing this to me. In a sense. Okay, this one is a hits. I think it's a UR hits, this one, I believe. So it's either, I'm not very sure if MR is together with BP or MR is together with SE. I really don't know, because I haven't experienced or I haven't seen the pulling live or watch the live of the box, or you know, ripping breaks or breaks in a sense in this series, the Naruto series. So yeah, especially in English, so I really don't know the configurations. Okay, we have 2 different variants of Itachi in UR. So this is our second UR. Next pack. My ninja wheel is reducing. Dang, I don't know why. Because more often after MR, there is the what you so called diamond UR. You know. So SR Naruto, SSR Sarutobi Hiruzen, and the hits is our third UR is nice, Kakashi. Oh no, it's it's a third UR. I thought it's 4th already. Okay. Next pack, we have 4 packs left after this. But hopefully, okay, this one is a double SR hits. Gaara, Kabuto, Tsunade, and another apprentice and the mentor. Nice. Okay. SSR Kisame. Oh, it's no more. I thought it's a so it's double SSR in a sense. I thought it's a hit set. Oh yeah, it's a double SR, not the double SSR. Okay, no wonder. Okay. Let's see. This one I believe is a double SSR. Young Sasuke. Let's see if you. Oh, it's a UR. So this is our last UR hits. And this one is nice. Naruto with Rasengan and Naruto. All right. I saw it's orange. That's why I say Naruto. But also, Itachi is orange, man. So let's see. Okay, next, third, last 3 for these packs. So hopefully there is a hit. Come on, give us some juicers, please. My god hand, it won't work. Naruto SR. This is nice. Double SSR in a sense. Okay, Sarutobi and Jiraiya. Second pack. Second to the last second pack. Second to the last pack. Is this the Mojo hits or just a normal diamond hits? Okay, it's a SR, double SR hits. So we'll see our last pack magic. Sakon and Orochimaru. Okay, this one is a single SSR, so it's okay. Tsunade, SSR. And last but not the least, our last pack, Magic. Come on, Magic. Let's do this. Come on, trigger it up. Okay, this is a hits. Hopefully, it's a AR. Because I saw it's a white. Because ASP and SE is a black. So we are hoping AR or BP. Yeah, because same is a serialized anyway. Unlike in the UR diamond. You know. Okay. Shino. Oh, dang, I accidentally see it. Okay, SSR Jiraiya. So for our last hit is not that great. And this box not the best but not the worst. So I accidentally see it. It's a PU hits in a sense. And Orochimaru. Wow, very hard to get Kisame. Until now I haven't pulled Kisame for the PU. So at least I can complete my set for PU rarity. Oh my. So yeah. So guys, this is our hits for today. And of course, please don't forget to comment down below and comment the name of the characters that you wanted to get in the near future. So for rolling for this giveaway is on next month, which is June, end of the month. So let's see. Okay, you just type in Sasuke or type in Naruto. If you want to get both, you just comment the name of the character and you will be entitled in the giveaway giveaway sessions. Okay, but make it sure you are the one of my subscriber, and of course do share also as well for those who haven't get the Naruto especially. Just let me know if you don't have any Naruto, then I will put some other cards also as well. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I hope you like the unboxing sessions for today, and yeah, see you guys on my next video and have a good day. Goodbye everyone, and God bless all.